4 dangerous drinks to avoid while feeling thirsty. 1. Alcohol. The higher the alcohol concentration, the more dehydrating the drink. That's why it's important to always drink water alongside your cocktail. All forms of alcohol, whether beer, whisky, or whiskey, it's equally very dangerous as far as it has alcohol content, no matter how refreshing it looks. 2. Caffeine. The caffeine-containing drinks give it diuretic effects, meaning it causes your body to pass more urine. This happens when caffeine is taken in large amounts. 3. Soda. Nutrient experts recommend 8 glasses of water per day while limiting soda, or better yet, avoiding it altogether. Firstly, soda is caffeinated and high levels of caffeine may lead to dehydration. Most sodas contain a lot of sugar, which potentially causes significant water loss. Water has the opposite effect. It is calorie-free and hydrating, and the benefits are priceless. 4. Coffee. Researchers observed that drinking the higher caffeine coffee had a short-term diuretic effect, thus causing loss of water from the body, whereas the lower caffeine coffee and water were both hydrating. In addition, other studies show that moderate coffee intake is as hydrating as drinking water. So be mindful of the amount of the dose you take.